guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a package and it is from Frank Garcia. He has his regular Instagram, which is Frank Garcia Studio, and then he has his Parcel Club Instagram, which is FG Parcel Club. And him and Chic Planner Girl did a giveaway about 3-4 weeks ago, and I finally got the package today. I'm so excited. And so this is how it comes packaged. I'm pretty sure this is how he packages up his monthly subscription boxes. So this is what you would get if you had gotten something from his January parcel. So, oh, so pretty. I can't wait to, look at all the crinkle paper I will reuse. Okay, so let me open this. So I'm pretty sure, when I looked, he does subscription boxes for mini photo albums and stuff, or like just, I'm pretty sure crafty stuff for all of us type of snail mailers. But there's like a 3-month subscription. There might even be a one time, I'm not sure though. 6-month and 12-month if I recall. So you'll definitely have to check that out. I'll link down his websites down below. So this was a main squeeze basically giveaway. Look at that. I do not have these, and I got a lot of the main squeeze stuff. I'm obsessed with this line by Crepe Paper. Look how cute. It's all glittery. I do not have these. So excited. And this was a giveaway. Like, I have never, ever, 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 ever won anything. I'm talking Facebook, Instagram, whatever, YouTube, this, that, zip, zilch, nada. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at all this, you guys. So I'm not sure if this was just the giveaway, but like I said, I think this is what you would have got if you had bought the subscription box. So I'm gonna go through it all. Okay, look at these white Chablis flowers. Look how pretty these are. Pack of those by Lisa Gibbons. I've never heard of her, but I'm new to this craft world, so forgive me if I don't. And then these Crepe Paper puffy heart stickers and little rainbows and lips. Ugh, I'm so excited to get all this, you guys. Like, oh. Then this is why I fell in love with this season's Valentine's Day stuff from Crepe Paper Main Squeeze. I just love it. Like, literally, ooh la la. I like. This is all the ephemera you get in there. Oh, so excited. Ooh, then look at this Prima flower. Gorgeous. It's like a peachy pink color. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I'll get to that, obviously. Then these pretty pastel pink Prima flowers. Gorgeous. Oh, and some, is this, nope, this is different. These ones are a little different, and they have a gold, like, leaf set in the back. So it is different, and they're like, the petals have a little bit of distressing. Look at that, you guys. Gorgeousness. Okay, then next, see what's in here. This little baggie. Oh, it's got all sorts of like little, marbles flying, not marbles. Okay, so it's got some bits in here to decorate. So basically his parcel club is he's like the bomb at making mini albums. Like, they are as shabby, as beautiful as can be. So he basically gives you stuff to make your own shabbiness. Look at this. Some, this is like a peach, almost like a peachy trim. And then this eyelash trim, this pink fuzzy eyelash trim, some pearls, a little flower. So these are just embellishments that you can do whatever you like to make your own mini album. But I don't do mini albums. I do happy. He makes gorgeous tags as well, super shabby and just over the top and beautiful. And this is a big, thick chipboard tag that you can alter. Cool, neat. And then, look at this. Like, he must, I think he works for, not works for, it's like sponsored or has his own line through Prima. So look at this, let's open this up. It's an album, a craft color album. Look at this. So look at it, guys. I don't even have to, so the only reason I don't make mini albums is because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to make this gusset, this thing, the top, the bottom, the chipboard. Then you gotta fold it over and layer it. Like, I get so intimidated by mini albums that I kind of made a, like a wannabe one for Christmas, but this is what they are. Look at how neat. So cool. Okay, very sturdy. And then look, it's like embossed his name, Frank Garcia. Super neat. I can't wait to play that. Who's gonna be my lucky recipient of this? Then the main squeeze stickers. These little cardstock stickers. Love all the glitter, not glitter, gold foil accents on here. So excited. So excited. Then this, let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay, here's like a little pamphlet. And then it says like, welcome to your January parcel. So it shows you like, each parcel will include one coordinating tag that will match your album. Sweet and simple. Tags give you a new way to use your leftover goodies. So that was with, see what he created? Look at this, look at his freaking album. That was just beautiful. He loves putting like flowers and stuff on his stuff. Like that was just, oh, are these like instructions? Yep, look. He tells you like what you need and what to do. Look at this. And shows you like page by page how he decorated his book. That you could make this like beautiful piece yourself. Look at that, you guys. So neat. So I'm assuming like the front said you will get one tag in a book to, you know, give it your own unique twist. Look at that. How cool. Look, like literally he gives you measurements, dimensions. Tells you to save the scraps from a certain page for this page. Like these are detailed instructions. So if you don't know what the hell you're doing, like he's telling you right here what you need to do. Look at the tag. Even does the tag. Altered tag. Look, if you have any questions, please email him. How neat. I love this. I probably like get my own prescription, really, subscription, like just to see what the other months are like, because this was obviously for Valentine's Day. Okay, this is some cardstock, which I'm sure tells you what to do inside with that. Put that aside. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, this is thick. This is a lot of freaking paper. Oh, we look at this, like a whole what's the word? Book of it. So I love this paper, and it's double-sided with the hearts. Beautiful. Then this one with the black and white hearts. I love this one. Gorgeous. Then this one with like stretched out hearts. Oh, I love the XO. I love black and white. Then this one, they like picnic checker with some minty hearts on the back. Beautiful. Oh, I love this one too. The little crepe paper critters. I don't know if that's what it's really called. And this one, mermaidy with like a heart tree trunk pattern kind of. That makes sense. I don't know if I'm describing this stuff right. Then two of these guys. I love the little fruit. It was so sweet and like innocent. I love it. Love the hearts, double-sided. I made some paper clips with this paper. And oh, two of these guys with the hearts. And what else? Ooh, then this. Oh, two of these. XO with just a polka dot on the back. So cute. Love, love, love. I don't have those. Then let's see here. Oh, then two of these guys, which are the cut aparts. Then the back side is just like a stripe or checker or whatever that is. So cute. Oh, and it gets better. The chipboard stickers of the collection. So it comes with all this goodness. Look at these. Love. So sweet. You guys, this is like, can you, if like, the boxes are like this with like stuff like this, like, can you imagine getting a box like this every month? Like, this is better than those why can't I not say subscription? Makeup subscriptions or like planner subscriptions. Like, this is just like gold goodness goodies. Absolutely love this. I am so excited and so thankful that I won this giveaway. Like, this is crazy. Crazy good. I'm so excited. So let me just recap all this goodness. Like, amazing. This is card. All right. Bye, guys.